So now we are going to see the rectangle tool. So if you want to use rectangle tool, you click here and you select the right axe and you have just to draw a rectangle like this. The other possibility is that you can raise the size of your rectangle with here, this case, dimensions, and you can set the right dimension. For example, here I draw my rectangle and for example I want a rectangle 10 meter and 5 meter. So I raise 10 meter, comma 5 meter, and like this, enter, and it's okay. Don't forget that about the dimensions, you need to tape on your keyboard a semicolon between the two dimensions. For example, I create my rectangle. If I want 4 meter, 2 meter, it's 4 meter, semicolon, 2 meter, like this. And you use a comma. If you want, for example, to raise 4 meter 50 centimeter, you will raise 4, 5 meter, semicolon, and for example 2, 5 meter, like this. You can also raise in centimeter and it will be exactly the same result. Here 200 centimeter, semicolon, 200 centimeter, and it's okay. I have my square. After you can add, when you have this, you can add another rectangle here. You can add another rectangle here, and you can add rectangle, everything that you want. So here my rectangle is like this, but I can also make a rectangle as the blue X. For example, I need to have my view like this, and I can make like this, a rectangle in this direction for another example. Or like this. So the aim is with the view that you will be able to create the rectangle in the right place.